All right, folks, we are live. First time recording. I see the recording started. Today, in this one, we're going to show you a brief demo of Grok app on the phone. I'm going to stream the phone in a bit just to show you how the Grok app on the phone generates the AI content. I've tried and I've used this for my videos. It's a brief demo. Um, Okay, see if we can bring up the phone into the frame. Let's add staging, present, share screen, window. Okay, so now you're looking at the phone. This is the phone. This is the Grok app. And you don't find the image option on the desktop version. So it's important to note that. And these are the images I generated using the Grok prompt. I wrote this prompt. Um, Ornate Lakshmi goddess in the middle of the lotus pond on a lotus flower, holding lotus flowers with two ornate elephants on each side, offering the blue lotuses in reverence. Now, if I want to modify the prompt, um, you know, blue mountains in the background, let's add that and see how it regenerates the AI content. For some reason, I can cut that content and go back to the favorites. And how do I refresh this? I don't know. How is the AI in Pro? Random question. Okay, now let's see the go to the image one. That brought it back to active. Now paste that prompt. Nice. The one thing I would like to modify, because these don't look like real life images, right? So I probably want to update the prompt saying add ornate, animate this little bit, animate. That's the key word. Probably that does the magic. It did. The prompt said to make the elephants offer the blue lotuses, not the goddess herself holding them up. What about this? Yeah, it has the South Indian look with all the ornamentation. Let's see. Make a video. This is an image right now. If I want to make a video, I can. Grok will convert this image into video of 5 seconds duration. Let's see what happens. Okay. Takes about a minute for it to convert the image into video. Okay. Done. Well, nice. I mean, you could write the prompts to make the objects do various actions based on the prompt text that you could type. So I could do that. But anyway, I'm going to save this. So I've used this app to generate multiple content for my videos. So here is a rundown of what I got so far. This is an interesting one. This is a scene from the 1800s with the cargo ship parking by the river shore to dock and load up the goods. This is Lakshmi in front of the White House. And these are the various other content for my Sundarakanda sighting. So Hanuman walking into the Ravana's palaces. And one is looking at the various Ravana's women in the palace, and the women are happy. This is Hanuman jumping over the various palaces in Ravana's Lanka. These are the guards guarding the Ravana's palaces. Everything is imagined and what you write in the prompts, right? So, okay. So you might have seen a few of these content in my videos on YouTube. So the prompt was written by me. It says radiant. The prompt all written by me, of course, by looking up and updating and constantly revising to make the content with better backgrounds and everything. For this video, the prompt I have is radiant anime Hanuman, the monkey god with ornate crown, standing in the balcony, second floor of the five-storied ornate gold palace in Vedic architecture, bathed in variant shades of pink above the sky, with an enormous full moon animates to rise up from behind the mountains, glows in the star-filled sky, its light blending with pink hues and fluffy clouds and reflecting vividly on the shimmering river below. The towering mountains, edged with magenta and deep rose tones, frame the scene. I mean, you can go on, right? As much detailing as you would, depending on that. Sometimes Grok gets confused and it drops a few inputs, but mostly it's been working very well for me. All right, folks. So that's a brief demo of the Grok AI app that I use for my content generation. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.